What'd she do?
I opened the windows.
She opened all the windows? How do you feel about that, Bo? Why'd you...
Why do you like this?
Oh!
Get it, Bo. Get it. Get it.
Get it! Go get it! Go! The mailman just came. So excited. I'm so excited. Light's really bright. I'm so excited. Bo just lost his mind because the mailman put the boxes down and he was freaking out. Okay, I gotta put shoes on. I'm so excited. Are you excited, Bo? Where'd you go? So excited. Oh god, that's locked. Hey, don't you knock over my boxes? Amazon is my favorite. Because they deliver on Sundays. Close the door, because you're not allowed out there, Will. There's no leash out on that side for you. Careful! Oh my god. Oh my god, be careful, Bo. Alright, we're doing an unboxing right now. Bo, it's not for you. You're not the one unboxing. We're gonna unbox right now. Alright, what's this one? This one? Oh, stop. Oh, I need a knife. It always helps to have a box cutter when you're unboxing things. Open. Jesus. Alright, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut all of these. And then Vale won't need it again. Because I definitely don't want Bo to step on that. That'd be bad. Woo. This is rechargeable AA batteries. Very important. Alright, that's it for that one. And open this, Bo. These are HDMI to DVI adapters so that I can use external monitors with my laptop. Alright. Whoa. I think I should have had one more thing, but we'll see. Let's clean this. Nope. Okay. How do I open this? I don't know, guys. How do I open it? Get it right here. This is my rechargeable battery charger pack. And it looks, oh, it has a USB port too. So I can charge USB things off of it while I'm charging my batteries. That's awesome. I'm having problems finding out how to open this stuff. It's like I don't want to damage anything that's inside. Alright, so this is a cleaning kit. stepped on a squeaky toy. These are wireless belt pack microphones with lavalier connectors. It makes me so happy. Alright, so there was one other thing I thought I ordered. I'm gonna check on that right now, but I need my phone. So I'll be right back. What are you doing?
Opening the windows. Because it's sunny. Sunlight's good for us.
I found the last item I was looking for. It was hidden in one of those like flex packages, and this is a microphone slash headphone adapter. It's got a TRSS connector, and then it splits out into headphone and microphone. Okay, so I just opened up the case, and these belt packs and transmitters, and we plug in these microphones, which are our lapels, and the
No,
clips.
it's not for you!
The clips and everything come in a separate package. I'll be putting those together momentarily. And then, so we have two of these guys, and then we have this monster, which is supposed to come with a belt pack clip as well, but it does come with a 1/4-inch threaded hot shoe, so I can actually attach it to another cold shoe mount that I can put on the Beast Grip. And this is the dual channel receiver. We have A feed and B feed, so I'm so excited. We're gonna have wireless sound, and that way you'll always be able to hear both me and Lindsay, no matter where we are in orientation to the Rode mic, which is super awesome, because then we can be like pointing the camera somewhere else, but also talking, and you can hear everything that we want you to hear, but also us. I'm looking forward to a lot of fun projects, so yay! Thanks for filming.
You're welcome. Really, I'm not a fan of the light. Not a fan.